Barbosa, you just defeated Grandmaster Marat. How was the game?
It was a very hard game because in the opening I'm a bit cramped and I had inferior position in the middle game, and I I used too much time, so I had to think of some way to release the pressure. Then maybe he he just misplayed his attacking chances in the time scramble because I'm I'm low on time, and maybe he played just too fast on the attack, and it's a mistake that G4, it's a sacrifice.
I played with Vishnu Prasanna. I had white pieces. It was a Queen's Gambit declined. Actually, he blundered a pawn quite early in the game, and well, I was very happy from the outcome of the opening. However, it turned out that there were some technical problems to convert the advantage, and I was of course better. But then in Rook Bishop Knight endgame, he blundered one more pawn, and then rest was easy.
Shatun, you just won the game. Can you tell us more about the game?
Yes, it went in English, something like hedgehog setup my opponent played. In the opening I played Wade, and in the middle game I took double bishop advantage, and then I thought that I could attack on the king side, so I just played rook g1, a simple move, and after that we analyzed the game, and we saw that there was no defense against it, and just I gave rook sacrifice and I attacked the kings, and I won the game.
With a nice victory in the sixth round, can you tell us more about the game?
It was an English defense, the opening. I think I misplayed in the opening a bit, so he probably equalized very easily. But in the middle game, he committed one mistake. I think Queen E7, totally allowing my pieces to get good squares, and I had a very good initiative. So, and after that, okay, it was very easy. Like I had very big advantage.
Devashish, you just defeated Iceland's Grandmaster Henrik, and it's a good victory for you. Can you tell us more about this game?
Yeah, I'm very excited now, and okay, today game I had to show good technique in middle because at one point I felt I have that he's playing very badly. I mean, he's playing very passively, so I have to play aggressive and also I have to show good technique in the same time. And he at one point I have to decide whether to have maintain have one pawn up, or it was just equal but slight plus advantage and technical advantage. So I choose which is simplest, and I think I played very well. I showed good technique, and I was a piece up, and slowly I converted into win.
Ashwin, a very convincing victory in the sixth round. Can you tell us about the game?
Yeah, my opponent played one relatively rare Budapest variation. In that, I got some initiative out of the opening, and I managed to push back his piece to some extent, and he found himself in a situation where he couldn't get any counterplay at all. So I slowly managed to, increase my attack and eventually, win a piece with that.
Shriyank, you just defeated Hong, Grandmaster Hong. Can you tell us more about the game?
Yeah, actually it was a very nice game. The opening was Dutch defense, that's classical variation. Actually she made something dubious move bishop f4 in the opening, due to which I get some tempos in the later game, and after that she made some h3 g4 just bad moves, and after that she sacrificed some bishop on a6, which I took, and actually she played bad moves after that, and actually in time pressure I also got some I played also very bad moves after that, but in the end I managed to win that game.